Welcome. This is Tunde Popola, the author of FX Way Forex Signals. Today I want to share with you some of the important way to price trade using Zigzag, Fibonacci, and your EMAs. As you can see on the screen, I have the steps written. The Zigzag Fibonacci combination rules. 1. Determine the trend. 2. Draw your Fibonacci between A and B of the zigzag. 3. Wait for a pullback to 38.2% or 50% retracement lines. 4. Sell at these levels. 5. Or sell at E of the zigzag. So my A and B has been marked out, which is this and this. Now you draw your Fibonacci. Let's assume all these data were hidden. Let's assume they are hidden. We don't know what is going to happen next. So I have just my A and B open. So what I do is I'll pick my Fibonacci and I'll draw. I'll draw it from there down. So draw it between A and B. That's it. So let's examine it. A, B. So the first thing we can sell at 38.2%. This is 38.2% retracement of this fall of this A and B of the zigzag. So we sell there. And if we are unable to sell there, we wait for the E, which is the ideal place using the zigzag rule. So the advantage of combining the two is that you will have a more clear signal. Because at this 38.2, assuming this next big candle was able to overcome the EMA and close above it, then we have to wait again. That means the trend might change. So since it was unable, it closed back. That's telling us that we are going to sell. And so if you had entered here at this level, place your sell, place your stop loss above the 50. And it's a good entry. On the other hand, if you had waited for the E to form, this A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and this is E, and you sell here, it's equally a very good entry. Place your stop loss above 38.2. So then you sell. Now, one good thing you need to know about your Fibonacci is that it's not only for making trading decisions, it's also used for determining your profits. Look at it. I already have these extensions mapped out. By the time I place my trade here, I'll wait. As this is my first target. The market came, touched that line, went back up, came again, hit my second take profit, and then rallied, and then hit the third take profit. So if you place a trade from that place, from this place, my crosshair. Alright, you place a trade from here down to this place, you will have made nothing less than approximately 500 pips. And that could have happened in a week. Let me see. Let me draw the periodic separator. Show periodic separator. Okay. Alright. It happened in approximately 4 weeks. Just one trade. That's not bad. Alright, that will be all for now. If you have a question, drop it below this video and I'll be eager to address it. Again, the rule, determine the trend. So how did I determine the trend in the first place? I use my exponential moving averages to determine the trend. And I look for the swing A and B. I placed it and I place my Fibonacci around it, and I determine my entry. Wait for a pullback to 38.2 or 50%. Sell at this level or sell at E. Yeah, thanks. That'll be all for now.